Good evening. Welcome to Rubicon Theater. I'm your host, Dr.B. Tonight's episode, Bird's Nest Glen, takes us back to the year 1861. Abraham Lincoln was president, and the Civil War was pitting brother against brother. Assemblyman Daniel Showalter and Charles-Piercy were in a heated dispute over the Union resolution vote.
I regret that the honorable man from Mariposa has met my objection in the way he has. I would like to ask him now whether the honorable gentleman would like to make any explanation.
I have only to say that if I violated any of the rules of this house, as an honorable man, I regret it. But so far as what I have said applies to the gentleman from San Bernardino, I have nothing to regret.
Then I hurl back into his teeth, and with all the contempt that language can express. And I do not have the language to express it.
I acknowledge the code of honor, and in that, I have no alternative.
Mr. Piercy, he has accepted your challenge. Rifles at 40 paces, Saturday in Marin County, west of San Rafael. Both parties met at Bird's Nest Glen, the establishment of Charles and Ada Fairfax. Friends of both parties tried to settle the argument amicably, but to no avail. They proceeded to their destiny, across Corte Madera Creek, to William Murray's pasture, the field of honor.
Gentlemen, are you ready?
Ready!
Fire!
Load the rifles again.
Again, Hayes delivered those fateful words on May 25th, 1861.
Gentlemen, are you ready?
Ready?
Fire!
Dr. Hammond, will you render whatever possible assistance you can to this poor man?
God bless you, Piercy.
Today, California landmark number 679 marks the site of the final political duel fought in California. That's all the time we have this evening. Join us again next week on Rubicon Theater. I'm your host, Dr. B. Thanks for watching.